Fascinating facts about seals. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share some fascinating facts about one of the most remarkable marine mammals on our planet, the seal. Seals belong to a group of animals called pinnipeds, which means fin-footed. There are 33 different species of seals living in oceans all around the world. The two families. First, it is important to know that seals are divided into two main families. The first is the earless seals, often called true seals. They don't have external ear flaps, and they move on land by crawling on their bellies. The second group is the eared seals, which includes sea lions and fur seals. Unlike true seals, these animals have small ears you can see, and they can actually walk on land using their large flippers. Incredible diver seals are true masters of the deep ocean. While we humans need oxygen masks, some seals, like the massive elephant seal, can dive to depths of over 1,500 meters. They can stay underwater for up to 2 hours on a single breath. This is possible because their blood can hold much more oxygen than ours. Survival in the cold. To survive in freezing Arctic and Antarctic waters, seals have a special adaptation called blubber. Blubber is a thick layer of fat under their skin. It doesn't just keep them warm, it also provides energy when food is scarce and helps them float easily in the water. The Caspian Seal. A very special mention goes to the Caspian seal. This is the only seal species found in the Caspian Sea, and it lives nowhere else on Earth. It is a unique symbol of our region's biodiversity, though unfortunately, it is currently an endangered species that needs our protection. Conclusion. In conclusion, seals are highly intelligent and perfectly adapted to their environment. From their ability to sleep underwater to their deep diving records, they continue to amaze scientists. Thank you for listening.